If we considered history as a great voluminous book, have you ever thought what would happen if some of the pages of this book were missing? For example, have you ever imagined what would have happened instead if Imam Hussain, peace be upon him, did not rise in 61 Hijri? To answer this question, all you need to do is visit the early days of Yazid's rule. The days when this corrupt ruler had pressured the governor of Medina to take allegiance from Imam Hussain by force. But as one would expect, the Imam did not give in, and when he heard the insistence of one of his people to pledge allegiance to Yazid, he replied, "If a ruler like Yazid is to come to power, we should then bid Islam farewell." On another occasion, the Imam addressed the enemy's army and said, "Whoever sees an oppressive ruler who makes lawful what God has forbidden and rules over God's servants with sin and shamelessness, but does not protest against him with their words or actions, God will make him suffer the torment of that very oppressor." Therefore, one can understand that if Imam Hussain, peace be upon him, did not rise, there would be no trace of a religion called Islam today, and the Islamic society would have disintegrated during its early years. But Hussain bin Ali, peace be upon him, by sacrificing all that was dear to him, saved history from a dark fate and helped it step toward the light once again.